That was filming.
The brightest colours fill my head.
No.
What's wrong? Are you shy now? Because we've not recorded anything for so long. What are we doing today?
We're opening Cargo's box.
We've got magic mail. So obviously some of the parcel is covered because of addresses and things. But look how cute. Did you like the stickers?
I absolutely love the stickers.
That is adorable.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Okay, we're ready. I noticed I've only just like split the top open and we're already getting glitter bombs. There's glitter everywhere. Okay, who's going to open? Do you want to have a go?
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, it's so cute.
What? Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in here.
Yeah, like
Cargo, what have you done? This is so much stuff.
so much stuff and it's so amazing.
Oh my gosh.
Like, oh, it feels amazing too.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's so cute.
Mickey treats.
Yeah. Oh. And then there's a bow.
Oh.
Sleeping Tramp.
Oh my goodness. What? Oh, it's a coin purse. I've seen Cargo making these.
Oh.
Oh, that's so nice.
Cargo, you spoilt us. Oh, there's a Tiana one.
What is this?
I don't know what these.
Is it Elsa? No, Anna.
Anna?
I don't know.
Is it Wendy? It's not Wendy. What is it? It's got a little hole in the bottom.
Is it a pencil topper?
Maybe.
I don't know. Okay, let's take this out. Oh, Cargo, this is too much. Look how cute these are.
I know.
What's that?
What's what?
What's that?
What's this?
Yeah.
Oh, it's some. Oh, it says to Kara, have a magical day. Hugs and squishes, Cargo. Aww. So cute.
Oh. You love pins, don't you?
I love pins. I collect pins, you know. Aww. Thank you.
So much glitter. Oh my goodness. What's this?
Oh, it's so cute. We should try
It's a
these on.
frozen one. Are we going to have a fashion show later?
Oh, yes. Oh, look, this one's Anna.
Oh, yeah. I can see her braids.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Tiana.
Oh, this one's totally for you.
She is my favourite princess.
It's
I
got
love Princess and
Lulu
the
in
Frog.
it. We can use this to the I don't know.
Halloween party. Yeah, it's very Halloweeny.
Oh, cool. It's oh wait, is this like the villain one? This must be the villain one or something. This is the villain though.
Oh my goodness, it's just never ending.
It's never ending.
Cargo, what have you done? I'm going to get all emotional now. Oh. Okay. I'm going to have to take a break because oh, this is too much. And here's one. What's this print? Is this Cinderella?
Yeah, it's Cinderella. I can get you.
Oh. Oh, okay. So
Okay.
this is from Nick at Magical News Live.
Yeah, Nick.
So I asked him to sign. So let's have a peek, shall we? Jambo, Danva and Kara, thanks for being great friends of the channel. Have a great, big, beautiful day. Nick!
Oh,
Awesome. Thank you, Nick.
thanks so much.
We are going to treasure that. That's
Yeah.
awesome.
I don't think I've ever had an autograph book.
Have you not?
No. Oh, we're being glitter bombed right now. Look at this. This is it's a Snow White one.
Oh, Cargo, you are the best.
As well, she made all of this.
So talented. It's ridiculous.
Oh, and there's like clips in here and stuff, and oh, and little, just the little details. It's just so cute.
I like little hair slides.
Yeah.
Oh.
cute.
Oh my goodness. Have a look, there's more in there.
We've got some more hair slide thingies.
Ah!
Ah, so cute. Little.
Do you want to get it out?
Oh, look how cute this is.
Okay, that is amazing.
That is like, it's so amazing.
So again, I think this t-shirt, I won this on Nick's channel on Trivia Night, Magical News Live.
Yeah.
Obviously, oh, this is just amazing. I can't even get over how amazing these are. I will link everybody's channels underneath, obviously. I'm getting so emotional. This is so sweet. I can't even. Look at these ears.
Oh, look at this bow. It's so so cool. I like it. It's really nice. It's really cute as well. I think this one. I think Bryce will love this one
Yeah,
because you know
yeah.
how much she loves. Right now, that's great.
And the ears. Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow. That is so cool.
Let me just see. Does it match?
Does it match?
Does it match?
Oh, yes, that matches. Oh, look at these ears.
Would you like to try them on? Whoa! You look amazing.
Thanks.
Let's have a look at the patterns. So we've got Lilo and Stitch. How much do I love Stitch?
Loads. I love Stitch too.
We've got Peter Pan. Who loves Peter Pan in this family? Who could that be? Is it you, by any chance?
Maybe.
Can you turn around? Ursula! Ursula is my spirit animal. And Mickey and Minnie, they're all in the teacups. Oh my gosh. Wow. And there's another one in there. It's not finished. What else is in there?
It's never ending. Oh. Oh wow, that's a lot of glitter. Oh.
Is that Gaston?
Yeah. Your love. Then we got Tiana. We got Belle again. And then inside it we have Cinderella and Lady Tremaine. Don't know if you can see.
Oh yeah.
And then we have Alice and the Queen of Hearts. There you go. Can't remember her name. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
It's all got to come out. You ready for some glitter?
yeah.
Hold your hands out.
Cargo, that's loads of glitter.
It's still coming.
Oh, what? How is it still coming? Oh, it's coming on the carpet as well.
Wow. Wowie.
Wow.
So that is a big pile of stuff and I cannot thank you enough, Cargo. This is amazing, 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 amazing. Oh, hello.
Hello.
What's on your head?
A headband.
Where did you get that from?
From Cargo.
I was trying to make a display, but unfortunately Cara's pinched one and it's gone on her head. And it looks like that's where it's staying. Is that one of your favourite one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it too. Suits you.
Thanks.
you remember when we were in Universal and I just jumped out on you and I was like, "Gooshy blue blue"?
No.
Do you not remember?
No.
I was hiding from you around the corner. In the hotel.
Oh yeah. You scared lady.
Gooshy blue blue. What did you get ya? I think I got that lady as well. That's rude.
You told me to.
So is there extra backs in the back of the packet? Because there's 4 thingies there.
I don't
and then 2
know.
pins.
There might be.
We don't know. We're such pin newbies, aren't we? We've never had any pins brand new before. This is our first lot of pins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just gonna take this out. Yeah, they're extra. So we've got these 2,
Mhm.
and then we got the extra pins.
And who are they?
This one's Sebastian, and this one's Scuttle,
From?
Little Mermaid.
Oh my gosh, you're a trivia queen in the making. They are adorable. Thank you so much. That's just...
That's amazing.
That's
I'm
amazing.
gonna put it on my wall
Mhm.
in my bedroom.
Yeah. You
Where-
have like about, what, 5 pins, do you? You have 5 pins already.
I think
A
we
cast
have 5.
member... A cast member gave Cara some pins when we were at Disney last time because she tidied up the gift shop, didn't you?
Yeah, because people keep putting like when they pick up something, they just put it on a different shelf, and it really annoys me.
Yeah, so she was tidying up the gift shop. The cast member saw her and gave her some pins, which was really cute. So you've got a growing pin collection now. Yeah.
I'm going to collect some pins.
You're going to start collecting pins. I have 2 pins. I will show you guys my 2 pins because I only collect really, really special pins. I don't collect pins, no. So on my board here. So I have 1 pin here, 1 dimension one, and then this one. They're my only 2 pins.
So we have these 2. You can see them close up. And then we got this one. They're really nice. Thank you so much, Cargo. Thank you so much.